question to वैसे ही छोड़ना है because it's not.
Yeah, we'll leave that one out because it's not in the syllabus. So we'll start with this question. It says x minus 3 and all that. So first thing we have to do is just bring everything to one side and make the other side 0. So that gives me x squared plus x minus 12. Okay, is greater than x plus 13. Right, that's what I get. This x cancels out with this x and I'm left with x squared minus 25 is greater than 0. Basically, I brought 13 here, that became minus 13, minus 12 plus minus 13, that is minus 25. That gives me x squared is greater than 25. Now, a common thing that many students might do is कि वो square root ले लेंगे. But the thing is, you have to understand that you are only going to find critical values using square root. So if you do square root, then you will get this plus and minus, x equal to 5 and x equal to minus 5, and that's not your answer, that is your critical values. So on the number line you have two things, 5 and minus 5. Now if I pick a value that is between 5 and minus 5, let's suppose 0 pick करता हूँ, तो 0 squared minus 25 is not greater than 0, right? तो इस वजह से यहाँ पर ये वैल्यू ठीक नहीं रहेगी. But let's suppose I pick any value from here. Let's suppose 10 pick कर लेता हूँ. तो 10 squared is 100. 100 minus 25 is 75, which is greater than 0. So that's where our inequality holds. Similarly, on this side, I may take, let's suppose, minus 10. So on this side, minus 10 whole squared is 100. 100 minus 25 is 75, which is greater than 0. So over here, my inequality holds as well. So I will say that my answer is that x is less than minus 5 and x is greater than 5. Another way to do this would be that I would draw the curve. So x squared minus 25 basically goes like this. You have this thing here. You have minus 5 and 5. Now, where is the curve greater than the x-axis? Over here, right? This is the region where it is greater than x-axis. So we'll say that x is less than minus 5 and x is greater than 5. Again, same region, same answer. We'll leave question number 2 out because it's not in the syllabus. All right. Derivative of this thing. Now what I'll do is I'll call this u and I'll call this v. So u is equal to x cube and v equals to sine of 2x. U prime is going to be 3x squared. Why? Because 3 multiplies and then minus 1. Similarly over here, v prime is going to be sine का derivative होता है cos. So cos of 2x and now 2x का derivative होता है 2. So I'll just multiply that. So I'll get 2 cos 2x. Now I'll apply the formula, which is vu prime minus uv prime over v squared. I'll just plug in the values. Sine 2x into u prime, which is 3x squared, minus u, which is x cubed, times 2 cos 2x whole over sine 2x whole squared. Notice this is not 2x squared, it is whole squared. Okay, so now my answer goes out to be 3x squared sine 2x minus 2x cube cos 2x over sine squared 2x. Answer आ गया मेरे पास. Find the equation of the tangent at the point where x equal to pi by 4. पहले तो मैं देख लेता हूँ कि वहां पे वैल्यू क्या है. So y की वैल्यू pi by 4 पे क्या होगी? Pi by 4 cube over sine of 2 into pi by 4. This cancels out. I'll get pi by 4 cube over sine pi by 2. Sine pi by 2 I know is 1, so my answer will be pi by 64 और pi का cube हो जाएगा. ये मेरे y की वैल्यू आ गई. तो मतलब मेरा पॉइंट है pi by 4 and pi cube over 64. ठीक है, ये मेरे पास ग्राफ आ गया. Now what I have to do is find the derivative.
Sir?
So yes.
सर आपकी पाई की वैल्यू आपकी y की वैल्यू किस तरह आई है आप प्लीज समझाइए.
From the equation, you see the equation says that y is equal to x cube over sine 2x.
So we found out why, because we had the value of x.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay.
So I'll just plug that in there and that's how I got it. Now I'll do the same thing for dy by dx. Dy by dx at x equal to pi by 4 is simply 3 pi by 4 whole squared sine of 2 pi by 4, which is pi by 2, minus 2 into pi by 4 cubed cos of 2 into pi by 4, which is cos pi by 2, which is 0. And similarly, sine squared of 2 into pi by 4, that is again 1. तो मेरे पास आंसर बन जाएगा 3 पाई स्क्वायर ओवर 16 माइनस ये पूरा तो 0 बन गया और वो नीचे वाला 1 बन गया, तो मेरे पास आंसर ये आ
तो
गया।
यही आंसर है।
ठीक है, ये मेरा डेरिवेटिव आ गया। अब मुझे इक्वेशन चाहिए, ठीक है, तो इक्वेशन के लिए मुझे डेरिवेटिव चाहिए होता है, मुझे पॉइंट चाहिए होता है। सो y इक्वल्स y माइनस y1 विच इज पाई क्यूब ओवर 64 equals x, sorry, m into x minus x1 which is pi by 4. I'll simply solve this. This will give me y equals to 3 pi square over 16x minus 3 pi cube over 64 plus pi cube over 64, which will simply become 3 pi square over 16x minus pi cube over 32. And that's my final answer.
So
Yes.
यहाँ तक solve करना था, we can't leave it till there, like.
We have to find the tangent key equation, so
Equation.
that's why we have to find the simplest answer.
Okay.
This one's easy, you can solve it in log, so we can simply convert it. There are multiple ways of doing this. I'll show you two ways. One is that I use log 2, so 3x minus 1 is equal to log 2 of 6. I just converted it to log form because देखें क्या होता है log form होती है what power of 2 makes it 6. So that is log 2 of 6, and this is obviously the power is 3x minus 1. So मेरा x बन जाएगा 1 plus log 2 of 6 over 3, और इसको मैं solve कर लूंगा calculator में डाल के. Another way I can do this is that let's suppose I don't want to take log 2, I'll take lg or ln or any other log on both sides. So that will give me lg2 3x minus 1 is equal to lg of 6. Now according to power law, my power will multiply with log because log is nothing but a disguised form of power. So that is lg2 equal to lg6, which is again 3x minus 1 is equal to lg6 over lg2. और मेरे पास आंसर फाइनल वापस वही बन जाता है कि 1/3 into 1 plus lg6 over lg2. ठीक है, तो ये मेरे पास आंसर बन जाएगा
Q 1.1.
जो भी आता है for this one I just have to simplify it again. मैं यहाँ पे multiple laws use करूंगा one by one. I have log 3 here, so I will try कि मैं हर चीज को log 3 की फॉर्म में शो करवाऊं. तो ये log 3 of y plus 4 बन जाएगा 14, sorry. 1 is log 3 of 3. मैं उसको log 3 of 3 कर दिया प्लस 1 over log y of 3 को मैं लिख सकता हूं कि log 3 of 3 divided by log 3 of y, जो बेसिकली फ्लिप करना है मैंने. तो इसका मतलब है कि मैं इसको सीधा सीधा चेंज ऑफ बेस लॉ से उल्टा सकता हूं कि ये बन जाएगा log 3 of y. ठीक है, सो using power law I'll make this go there. So इसके पास बन जाएगा log 3 of y plus 14 equals to log 3 of 3 plus log 3 of y squared. When logs multiply, logs add powers or numbers multiply. So ये बन जाएगा y plus 14 is equal to log 3 of 3y squared. And now this log can cancel out and I'll get y plus 14 equals to 3y squared. We have done extensive practice of quadratic equations. I don't think we have to solve this one in detail. If you want, I can, but I don't think there's a need to do that.
No, sir, we can skip it.
So we'll just do it in the exam. ठीक है. This one again, we'll try to make sure that everything is in the same powers, and then we'll try to use log or something else to simplify the equations. So यहाँ पर 8 can be shown as 2 cube. Sorry, this is p plus 1. And 4 is 2 squared. So now when powers are upon whole powers, they multiply. So ये बन जाता है 3p plus 3 और ये बन जाता है 2 power 2q equals to 2 power 11. Power subtract if the numbers divide, so it gives me 3p plus 3 minus 2q is equal to 2 power 11, implying that this power is equal to that power. So I have an equation 3p minus 2q is equal to 8. That's one equation. Similarly, on the other side, I'll try to show everything in the power of 3. So ये बन जाएगा 2p plus 5 over 3 power 3 power 1 by 3 equal to 3 squared power 3q. This thing becomes 3 into 2p plus 5. And this cancels out, so minus 1 because that's being divided, and this becomes 3 power 6q. So I'll get, again, this implies that 2p plus 4 equals to 6q. So मेरे पास 2p minus 6q is equal to minus 4. दूसरी equation बन जाती है. I can solve these both equations simultaneously and I will get my final answer. All right. This is a question that you were telling me you had a problem in, right?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, so let's do this. It's saying a 5-character code is to be formed from 13 characters shown below. Each character may be used only once. So इसका मतलब है कि repetition नहीं हो रही है. That makes it really easy. Find the number of different codes in which no 2 letters follow each other and no 2 numbers follow each other. अब हमें 13 characters में से 5 character code लिखना है. तो मैं 5 को जरा slot बना देता हूँ. One option is that I'll say number, letter, number, letter, number. Okay, that's one option. Other option is that I make a code in a way that it is letter, number, letter, number, letter. Okay, so that's two options that I have. So I'll just try to figure out कि अगर मैं left वाली combination करता हूँ तो मैं क्या करूँगा. How many options do I have for number? The first number I can pick any of the 7. Then second number I can pick any of the remaining 6, and third number I can pick any of the remaining 5. Similarly, for letters, I have 5 letters, so I can pick any of the 5 letters and then any of the remaining 4 letters. So this I will simply multiply. Similarly, over here I have 5 letters, so 5, 4, and 3 options. And for numbers, I have 7 and 6 options. So those are the two yes.
Is it not 6?
What is not 6?
Letters are 6.
Sir,
Oh, letters are 6. My bad.
yeah.
I was thinking letters. So इसको हम 6 कर लेंगे. Thank you for pointing that out. And now we'll just add them up. That is the number of different ways we can do it. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yeah. Next is saying a netball team of 7 players should be chosen from 10 girls. 3 of these 10 girls are sisters. Okay, find the number of different ways team can be chosen if team does not contain all 3 sisters. तो आपके पास
I can't hear.
I'm just thinking.
Okay.
सर इसको करने के 2 तरीके हैं ना.
सर हम एक
What method?
इसमें 3 sisters हो. सर एक होता है कि 3 sisters फाइंड
पहले-
आउट करें वो कितनी होंगी and then you divide minus it with the total.
Total
team.
वो हाँ. That's the method I used.
The other way I used was कि एक with no sister and then with 1 sister and then with 2 sister and then you add them all up. Answer same.
Yes, you can do that. कि आपके पास ऐसे ही होगा कि एक मेथड होगा जिसमें एक सिस्टर है, एक है जिसमें 2 सिस्टर है, एक है जिसमें 3 सिस्टर और एक है जिसमें टोटल कोई भी रैंडम है. उनको माइनस कर देंगे तो आपको पता लग जाएगा कि क्या हो सकता है.
Sir, I don't think I can see your screen.
Sir, are you busy?
Sameen, can you hear, sir?
I cannot hear him, but I can see his screen. I think he's busy with something else.
Oh, okay.
And I stop recording.